Let's go, buddy, let's go! Looking good, good hustle, bud. Oh! No, don't jump!
For those times when your little slugger hits a perfect homer. The new BlackVue DR750X-2CH LTE Plus features built-in 4G LTE connectivity, keeping you notified while always recording, so you don't have to let life's accidents catch you off guard. And when it's time to hand the keys to someone, well, Remote Live View lets you monitor your car from anywhere in real time. It's like always having a pair of eyes in your vehicle, no matter where it is. And hey, sometimes, well, things happen. With your LTE-connected BlackVue, you can rest easy knowing that you're always capturing and saving video evidence. The built-in SIM card slot gives your Dashcam ultimate cloud connectivity, as well as the ability to use your BlackVue as a mobile hotspot for your devices when on the go. Life gives you enough things to worry about.
Hey, buddy! Oh, that sucks.
Don't let your car's safety be one of them. Get the BlackVue DR750X-2CH LTE Plus today and rest easy knowing your vehicle is always covered, even when you're away. Go to BlackVue.com to get yours.